bakers?
Oh, yes, we're bakers. Yes, bakers.
Can you make cupcakes?
Oh, yes, we love cupcakes. We love cupcakes.
What kind of cupcakes do you make?
Yummy cupcakes. Yummy cupcakes. Our cupcakes are delicious. Delicious.
Okay, let me take your info.
This is the first little pig who built a straw house. Currently homeless and does not like hard work.
So you built a house of straw. Hey! What is this? Are you eating my cupcakes? Okay, thanks for applying for the job. I'll call you if I need you.
Come on, let's go. Did we get the job? No, you blew it for us. What did I do?
Yeah, bye girls. If you like this video, click like. It looks like this. Check out this video.
Are you looking for help?
Yes?
Well, look no further.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Hello. Ask.
What?
Ask us if we're bakers.
Are you bakers?
Oh, yes, we're bakers.
Yeah. Bye girls.